Because we've lost Joshua.
We're not sure if they've rerouted. We're not sure.
Josh, wave in the air.
The maze or we've just
Josh, Tegan, wave!
But Josh is and Tegan have split up and we've ended up.
Give us a wave!
Now somewhere over there.
We've ended up in a maze and a few of us have got lost. Don't know how it's happened.
Because they didn't wait for us.
Yeah. They're over there.
Yeah, because we've completely forgot the way to the middle that
Yeah.
we tried to get to. It's not working at the minute. No, over there. How'd you get over? How'd you get over there? Right, get on top of the bridge.
Get out, but we're just trying to get Tegan and Josh back to you.
They can do it, come on.
I'm not doing this, I'm jumping away.
I surrendered to the maze. I can't get over there. No, I swear the way out's down there.
We have all been consumed by the maze.
They've redone it.
How do you get to the middle?
I don't know. I was stopping on you guys.
We need to find the middle before the main season, guys.